Hey Crafty Babes, it's Andrea. Today I'm excited to show you the March Elle Studio kit and all of the really fun extras. So let's get started. I always like to start with the main monthly kit, which is exclusive, designed by Elle Studio, and is only $9.99 if you are a subscriber or if you order your kit on the launch day, which is always the 10th of the month. So for the first 24 hours, it's $9.99 and then it goes to $11.99. So just make sure you're grabbing your kit super early so that you get the best deal. And I like to start with the die cuts because they give such a wonderful impression of what the rest of the kit is going to look like, because it usually includes all the colors and a really good mix of the fonts and the theme for the rest of the kit and all of the extras. So we have lots of labels and arrows, and I'm loving all of the rainbow colors this month, as well as lots of fun polka dots. So these are the die cuts that come in the kit. There are also 3 4x6 cards. So this one here with this typewritten always a favorite is so adorable. This very, very colorful polka dot, and my favorite part about this is that the polka dots are different sizes. So fun. And then this little ledger journaling card. It's a really fun blue. I like how it's the two-tone blues. Now let's check out the 3x4 cards. Look at this adorable rainbow. When it rains, look for rainbows. This is a story about gorgeous purple hearts, raindrops, cute little bunny butts. A nice space for journaling or photos. Days of the week, spring. Oh, I love this card so much. What a fun font. A place for a list. Oh, this cluster of stars is so cute. I think it could be this way, but I think it could be this way too. I know that some of the stars look like they're upside down, but this would be really fun. Look, it kind of looks like it's falling from the sky. 100% yes. This green is such a spring green. I love it. Here's that polka dot again on the top and the bottom. A nice place for journaling and a title. Striped rainbow. It's my lucky day. Notes from today. This gorgeous big green grid paper. And a cute stripe. So you get the 3x4 cards, the 4x6 cards, and the die cuts all in the $9.99 kit. And then we will talk about all of the extras that coordinate that you can buy separately. These little snippet labels are so fun. They always coordinate with the kit and they're super versatile. I love being able to use them for layers, for dates, for quick little pieces of journaling, or just to kind of stick on the outside of a cluster or something, just to add a little bit of extra pop of color. I love these. This month we also have some word stickers. Talking about different little parts of the day, moments. I heart this, lovely things, so crazy. Just regular, everyday kind of sentiments. Probably my favorite part of this kit is this sheet of rainbow stars. How adorable are these colors? And I love how there's several different sizes. Super cute, super versatile. And there's some really fun embellishments this month. So there's a one-of-a-kind wood piece. I love how it's a really simple font and a nice size. Probably would make a really nice impact on a layout, or even on a 3x4 or 4x6 card. There's also a pack of really fun acrylic hearts, all the different colors of the kit. I love how there's a light pink, a dark pink, a light purple, different kind of hues of each of these colors. Makes it really fun. And then there's also an embellishment pack with the bunnies. Look how cute. Look at his cute little tail. So there's 2 wood pieces, and then there are several vellum shapes in different colors and different sizes. So there's a couple of each color, and it looks like the larger color has the little fluffy tails cut out. So how cute are those? Okay, friends, that is the March kit from Elle's Studio. I hope that you've enjoyed everything that you've seen here, and don't forget to use my affiliate link when you purchase. It will be in the description of the video, and that helps to support this channel and making sure that I can still produce these videos for you, because it does take time and effort, of course, and I love making these for you so that you can see all the wonderful things that are coming out each month from Elle's Studio. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we will talk soon.